We were real busy last Thursday. We had to go pick up 11 vehicles from a piece of property that the bank repossessed. These are the vehicles that we got. We got this Toyota Corolla, this S10 Blazer, this old Ford two-wheel drive pickup. Got a Carmen Ghia, a Volkswagen over there, a Lexus here, a kit car right here, and then we got a Volkswagen Bug and another Carmen Ghia. So the total we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 vehicles in the yard. The 10th vehicle was a Volkswagen bus that was picked up, and the 11th vehicle was I believe it was another Volkswagen Beetle that we dropped off. We found the owner of that vehicle. He had on the property it was supposed to be worked on, and we actually did take it to Wayne's house and dropped his car off. So he got his car back, but it was stripped. So we're filing papers on all these cars. I think on the 2 Carmen Ghias and the 2 Bugs, there was no license plates and no registered owners, so they have to probably be inspected. I'm hoping not, but if the VIN numbers don't come back to a registered owner, I'll have to have a state patrol inspector come here and inspect these vehicles. 15 days from Monday, they'll go up for auction, and they'll be advertised in the local paper.